It's not airy. It's not light. It's kind of thick and crumbly. But the flavor is still good. That is what counts. The flavor is still good. Oh, there's a soft part. Some of it's hard, some of it's soft. I like to think that we didn't mess up. We just found a new way to bake the recipe. I think it might be just a smidge too sweet. There's a little something extra, like an aftertaste that I'm getting. It's like right here in my throat. Not quite sure what it is, but it's there. I would be intrigued to know if I remade this recipe, or maybe if you make this recipe and you make it with the regular all-purpose flour, please. Does it come out thick and hard? Because my cookies did. I feel like I could bludgeon someone with this. So my friends, I hope you have an amazing